Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of the Hyatt Company. In today's video, I'll be testing / reviewing makesy Supernatural Soy Flakes. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. All right, y'all. So today I have the Wooden Wick Co. or Makesy's because they changed their name recently. They're Supernatural Soy Flakes. So this is what I'll be testing today. If you don't know, I've did What Wax Wednesdays before. It's basically me just reviewing, testing, and then reviewing waxes just to help anyone who wants to try a different wax out. And of course, if I don't see like reviews on it, I'll go ahead, or a bunch of reviews on it, I'll just go ahead and review it because I like to try new stuff. I get bored and I like to, do new stuff. So this Supernatural Soy Flakes is supposed to be their 100% soy wax. So if you watch any of my reviews before, we're about to get into like the details. So on their webpage, it says made from 100% natural plant-based soy. It is skin safe, clean burning, and biodegradable, vegan, non-toxic. So I know a lot of people choose 100% soy wax because of it being non-toxic and like a healthy way to burn candles, or a more healthier way to burn candles. It says even slow burn, so that's a good thing that it burns slow. And it says excellent adhesion, great hot and cold throw, so we'll definitely try that out. And it easily holds up to 12% fragrance load. So the melt point is 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and the mix and pour temp is 140 to 150 Fahrenheit. So I definitely will stick between there just to get the best performance out of the wax. If you don't know, I usually heat my wax up to like 190, but that's a soy tin. So this says 140 and 150. I'll probably heat it up higher than that. And then, cause when I take it off, it'll start to cool, but I'll measure before I start mixing and pouring. And yeah, so I just want to test this wax out. So let's get straight into it. So the jars that I'm using are my regular jars. I'll link where I got these from below. I will be using CD6 wicks in this because first I used to use CD8, but I'm downsizing. So I'm about to use CD6 wicks in this. And yeah, I think that's all the specs for the vessel and the wicks. So let's get straight into the wax. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit our website at thehyattco.com. So this is 100% soy wax, measuring about 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and I did pour my fragrance oil in at that temperature and then stirred for 2 minutes. I did reheat it a little because, like I said, the temperature dropped. So this is me showing you it was about 146, 145. And so this is the temperature that I'm going to pour it at. Okay, since we all know that 100% soy wax kind of cures with imperfect tops, I did want to go ahead and think ahead and mix in some Beeswax Coco Creme wax that I used in a previous What Wax Wednesday. So in one of the candles, I went ahead and combined the Supernatural Soy Flakes with about 15% of beeswax. Now while I was adding it in, I was like, this kind of looks like a little bit, but I had to remember it's just one candle, so we're gonna see how the tops cure, we're gonna see how it all looks. So that is what these clips are. I also forgot to mention that I only added in 15% of the beeswax because it is pretty expensive. So if this is a combination that you would like to do, I try to make it as cost efficient as possible, where you'd be able to order the biggest box of the Supernatural Soy Flakes and then the 11 pounds of the beeswax. This picture has in the 100% soy wax as well as the Beeswax Coco Creme, but I did the same thing as in terms of 145 degrees, stirring and mixing, and I also mix for 2 minutes just like the other one. So here's me showing you the end result. Well, about close to an hour after I let them set, and you do see the top of the soy wax looks more imperfect than the one with the beeswax. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please let me know what you think about how each candle cured. If you do want to see a burn test of these candles, please let me know down below and I'll do a separate video on that, because I do have to let the candles cure, you know, to give it a chance to perform its best. I do want to let it cure about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, depending on, you know, how I film and post videos. But if you do want a burn test, do let me know. But yeah, so far I do like the cold throw. It is easy to work with. From my experience, it's easy to work with so far, but that's just mixing and pouring. We will see how it burns in a burn test if that's what you want. But other than that, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.